विसोपरांत तुमकां येवकार. येरादारी नेमांचें पालन करप ही दरेकल्याची जबाबदारी आसा. ट्रॅफिक सेंटिनल येवजण ही जनतेच्या सुरक्षे खातीर आसा. म्हणटकर ही येवजण बंद जावची ना म्हण म्हायती येरादारी खात्यान दिल्या. डेस्क गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Launched Traffic Sentinel scheme on 10/11/2017 and it has been approved by the government and notification has already been issued. Now we have around 5,834 traffic sentinels enrolled. We have booked around 71,162 cases and notices generated is around 2,01,296 as on date. So in this scheme, one who desires to become a traffic sentinel has to register himself and has to agree to the terms and conditions which are issued to them. So once he becomes a traffic sentinel, he can take clips of the defaulters of traffic violations and send it to the on the mobile app to us. So on receipt of photo or violation, it is processed, it is validated, and accordingly points are issued to the traffic sentinel. Once he accrues 100 points, he is entitled for a reward of ₹1,000. Now, in social media, many things are appearing these days, and there is apprehension in the minds of public, and misconception that I want to clear all these apprehensions in the minds of the people. People say there is no awareness, enough awareness is not there. Now, I don't know why awareness is required for a person who speaks on a mobile while riding two-wheeler or while driving. Why awareness is required for a person who drives under the influence of alcohol, or he overspeeds, or for a helmet? Why awareness is required? According to us, no awareness is required because these are the basic things. Why I should tell that it is not required that if person falls that he will sustain an injury, that I don't have to tell anybody. So people say there is no awareness. I don't think that the violations, if you see, which have been certain violations they can report. There are total 10 violations. That is driving against the flow of traffic, parking on footpath or zebra crossing, triple riding, without seat belt, without helmet, using vehicle with tinted glasses, red light jumping, dangerous driving, and using mobile while driving. So all these violations are basic skills of the driver or rider. And for that, according to me, no special awareness is required. Though we do awareness, though we do education programs, there is enough awareness. Then another argument is that morphing of photos. I don't know, this app is designed in such a way that you cannot input or export photo from this app. And you cannot save these photographs which have been recorded in the gallery of the mobile phone. So there is no question of downloading it also. It remains on the server. So question of morphing is not there. Now even morphing is possible. Even there is a camera to the mobile. If somebody wants to do something, he can use that mobile also. Why he has to use the app? There is no question of using the app for morphing or doing something with the photographs which have been recorded. Some people say that they are receiving double challans, or several challans are received on the same day or same time on the same road. Now, if person is committing an offense, repeatedly, if he is recorded here in Panjim city and if he is recorded in Kadamba stand, these are the two distinct places. So it is natural that two challans will go to him. There is no question of double challans or something like that. It is a distinct offence. It is a continuous offence. So once he is issued challan, why is riding in the second place? If he is issued challan without helmet for the in Panjim, then he will not continue to bus stand. So people without any reason say that they have been issued. It is possible that due to printing mistake, there can be more than one notice. You come to us, I am there, device free traffic is there to take care of all these things.